All right, what is going on, Coaster Crew fans? We are here just outside Discovery Cove, right next door, and what do we see has shown up but some B&M coaster track for the new surf coaster. Well, that's what it's rumored as. Not sure what it is yet, but it's obviously a roller coaster. SeaWorld actually just tweeted this, so we made our way over so we get a closer look. They should be unloading this stuff today, we assume. It is a beautiful color, by the way. It's a very nice shade of blue. Really digging it. Really, really nice. And looks like additional equipment's arriving to unload the track from the flatbed trucks. Alright guys, well that wraps up our latest construction update for the new surf coaster. If you want to see future videos with us, be sure to click that subscribe button, hit that bell for future notifications for future videos, and of course like us on all of our other social media handles at Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, all at Coaster Crew. And we'll see you guys real soon.
Hi, I'm Tim with the Coaster Crew Network. Today we're on the Taco Bell, and we have, I don't know, it looks like a bridge. I don't know. Can you make it out? Something blue.